Yeah, let's see where you at. See where you at. Midway. Show it. You know, right now, about 25% right now. Tough. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Good. What it do? Neighborhood was good. Welcome. So, it's vlog day 1. First video. First everything. It's time to get this tag, y'all. We're finna get it. We're finna record each other. You know how we be in the chair. Y'all ain't finna get everything. But everything. First, second tat now. Second tat. We go bed. Little nerd. We going bed, Ain't no little tats around here. If you got a little tats, you
really, nigga?
Niggas be saying I'm the wild. Nah, I'm just playing. Shit. But damn, niggas scared for real. So when that thing say zzz, it's over with. No going back. Man, ain't too bad. Hey, all them niggas that say it ain't too bad, they know that bitch hurt. I ain't gonna hold you, boy. If you're getting a lot of shade, man, think about that before you do it, man. I got a little bit of shade, and my heart was just... My first tat, which you did right here. First tat. Hey, I was sweating. And it didn't hurt until you start going over that bone. Just... I just want to try. Had a first experience. I mean, sometimes it's good. I mean, if it's your first time, you real ain't fucking with needles. Just go small. Don't go big. I mean, be honest, I'm one of them. I went small on my very, very first time. I forgot. This is my first tat. A little first. Nigga, showing your tat me. I know y'all barely can see it, but y'all nigga dark. Nigga dark skin. What's the best duo? And the best duo out. Sorry about that, but chill. Cannot go in here, tensed up, gotta be relaxed. Can't be tense. Just be relaxed, man. You just let him do this work. Hopefully he quick. Hopefully. Oh yeah. I mean, he should be if he good like that, but you never know. For real. It might be a minute that time. It was quick last time, but like this our second time. We're going a little bit more detail. Okay. Yeah. I can say that. More detail. I also don't want to see no lines, I'm done with that. Texting tattoo man right now is excuse. Told him 4 o'clock. He talking about but hey, homeboys in there right now, getting they own little tat, but our kind is just different. We on time, and we never on time. Black folk never on time. For now, we ain't like super late. Your dad, mama could be in a funeral. All right.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, come on. Nah. I'm ready. I think I'm more ready than last time, Or more relaxed. I can say that, because the first time, just tense. I'm gonna tell y'all how it went. So, we text, bro, go get the tattoo or whatever. Really, our homeboy put us on tattoo man or whatever. He like neighborhood tattoo artist, really. Everybody really know him. We didn't know him. So we got put on or whatever, hit him up, First we want my homeboy to get his tat, and we just showed him what we wanted and stuff, he told us price and whatever. We was cool with it, We just want to get our first tat, see how it feel, how it look.
Somebody coming out the door right now.
And then we get to the day. It's raining, cloudy.
That's Meech.
I know. That nigga look like Meech, so.
Yeah, that nigga look like Big Meat. BMF. Look who trying to call me. Shit, don't even say it.
Side eye.
Side eye.
We get to the day or whatever, we hit bro. He like, yeah, pull up. It's raining, it's foggy and shit. So I'm like, damn, bro, it's raining and shit. All nervous and shit. But we get here, I'm like, man, his car ain't here. I'm like, what's going on? 15 minutes later, he called me talking about, I done got like, dead battery on the side of the road, man. So, I'm thinking it's like,
man.
I'm thinking it's like God telling me.
He was like, bro, what is God telling me? Like, don't even get it.
Maybe another day or just ain't your time.
That nigga was nervous.
Then he was like, bro, just give me an hour and I'm be straight. I was like, all right. So we went to our school, cafe or whatever, sit there and chill, get a little bite, calm down, relax. Man, hour passed, like, let's go get in the car. And then we got here, I walked in, and it was no turning back. Once you sit in the chair,
No
like,
turning back.
and you can't, like, he really know everybody, so you do some, like, some pussy shit, like, hey, I don't want to get it no more. Everybody gonna know.
Everybody.
So, like, just make sure your tap, means something to you. Don't just be getting no BS on your body. This your body. This is your body.
Temple.
Protect your body. Take care of your body. Not a lot of people know that, but some people take care better of their shoes than themselves.
And that's sad.
We gotta be better. Gotta be better.
We come out here thinking 250 is a good weight to be at. It's just sad. It's a sad day. What are we coming to? But hey, man, I'm ready for this tat. For real.
Fat brain, take me back.
Bro said I'm tattooed. That's why he probably took so long this morning to text back.
Doing somebody. He gonna get his money for real. Man, that nigga make rent probably in a day.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Man.
Gotta get it done. Got to.
It's been overdue.
New tat. Just supposed to get it last month. Or right before Christmas.
Yeah.
Then we was like, we just gonna wait.
Yeah.
January came, we was like, we might as well wait the tax.
Yeah.
Shit. 3 weeks later, time to get that tat. Yeah. For real. Yeah.
I want to tell y'all, it ain't gonna always look pretty. You gonna go through a phase and it's gonna look ugly, it's gonna peel. But trust the process.
Trust the process, but on that, man, I'm be honest, you go through one really like ugly phase, but that first phase is like you bleeding and your skin getting used to it. That second phase is, you could probably even go 1 or 2 days at actually looking good for real. The next thing you know, the worst phase, peeling. Hey, them tattoos peel. A week in your tat good, for real.
Okay.
Them tat good.
You be scrapped.
Oh, I think that's them. Hey, it's time for that tat. It's time for that tat. It's time for that tat. Yes, sir, ski. So we back and we at it. We in it's traditional, so he get to go first.
Hey,
But I text him first.
hey,
You know who should have went first.
who sent the picture first?
He lucky he sent the picture first, cause alright, I would have been going first. But
I'm probably gonna have to flip this chicken around.
he getting that back done. Yeah, let's see where you at. See where you at. Midway. Show it.
Right now, about 25% right now.
Tough.
2 hours later.
Neighborhood.
Welcome, neighbors.
What's good?
Right now, we got the tax show. We got the tax.
Got the tag. Had to wrap mine up. Bleeding.
He's fresh out.
Fresh out the gate.
Right now, we need some wing buns right now. If you're from right here, you know what I'm talking about. If not, when you come to right here, tap in.
They don't never disappoint. Ever.
Right now, as we speak, we about to watch one of the greatest shows I ever started. Ghost Power Book 2. First episode, we will let y'all know how it go.
For real. The nigga been waiting for this all day.
Real shit. Real shit.
Honey mustard chicken.
American.
Hell yeah, give me that. This shit good though. For real. Bro said, sound like you sick.
You really do though. I'm just congested.
Hell yeah. Nigga got allergies and shit.
The pollen out there, y'all.
Spring, baby.
Who ready for summertime, man? Real shit.
What happened to Hot Girl Summer? Why nobody saying that shit no more?
Dead in the water.
Weed in the water. Neighborhood. What's good?
I'm gonna let him go first on his opinion about the show. The first episode.
So we just got done with Ghost Season 3, Episode 1. I was on my phone the whole time. That's how you know it wasn't nothing.
He was, man.
You know how you can hear stuff and then be like, oh, that's not important. That's exactly how I was. Like, what the fuck? That was disappointment. That was disappointment.
It was.
That was disappointment.
He ain't lying. It was just. It wasn't the first episode I mean, it's just the first episode. It can't be too big of a thriller. But as we jump from BMF, he don't really watch Snowfall, but I'm really into Snowfall. And to this now, March has been a great month. Just for TV shows, movies, I hope y'all watch Creed. It was great. It was great. I mean, I really kind of like Ant-Man. It was alright.
I liked it.
It was alright. But that first episode, it just wasn't it. But it only can get better from here. You feel me?
Y'all know what was good for real? That Creed 3, man. Come on.
I'm gonna keep it a beat. It wasn't better than Creed 2.
Oh, Creed 2 will always be the best.
Cause they just treated Draco like he was just a bitch. Draco, right?
That nigga. That.
And I'm gonna keep it a beat. I wanted Damon, whatever his name was, to win. I'm gonna keep it a beat. Cause for nigga Creed, Adonis Creed, to come out of retirement after 3 years of boxing, you should think that nigga should get knocked out, right? Or maybe I'm just tripping. But 3 years is crazy for a nigga that's hungry to knock your ass out. And I'm gonna keep it a beat. It was coward for that nigga to run like that.
Coward.
He was young, mind you.
It was young though. It was young.
But dog,
Just let the nigga take all
take out everything. I mean, but I know his mama just tried to, help him out and stuff, but that's cool.
That was it. But like we said earlier, that tat, it's gonna be revealed in vlog 2. So stay tuned.
Make sure y'all go like and subscribe. Neighborhood.